Hey, so that's me here on my little bike ride, and it's hot because I'm not like the fish driving every day, you know. Just wanted to show some support for the fish. He's driving around every day and showing us all kinds of cool stuff, and I thought I'd drive around too. So I have my ski helmet here for my bike ride, but I only wear it to mount the camera on, since I can't mount the camera on my head. And let me show you my bike quick while I'm here, because I don't know what else to talk about other than the GoPro Hero 7. This is my bike I'm riding on. I just updated the reflective stuff. You're gonna see this here. Those little plastic things here, they are super reflective, and I have to make a video at night how it looks like. There's 72 on there. Yes, on each wheel, 72 of those little reflection things, right? And I like this bike. It's a Trek 820. That's nice bike, I have to say. It came as it is, like the saddle is on there, I think, and yeah, not bad. The only thing what I added are those here, the mud flaps. You don't get water sprayed in your butt when you ride. Okay, so yeah, there we go. And the helmet I like too. Look at this, with a mount for the camera. That's a DJI Osmo Action mount I use right now with this GoPro here. And since I don't have much more to say other than the Hero 9, so I'm trying and doing some footage. The most annoying, as I said before, was the touchscreen. It's not that great, and I have that often that when I push the record button, that it only records for 1 second, so it immediately stops, and it really needs a long time, like 2 hours to charge with a high-speed charger. Charging in camera, because I'm unable to buy this dual charger thing with a second battery, and second battery is really what I need for when I go, so I can charge one battery and then it doesn't matter how long it takes while I use the other battery. You know, I go on the ride, do my 1 battery footage, come back, look at the footage, edit it and all that, and by that time the second battery is charged. So I always have 1 to work with and 1 in the charger. Alright, so let's go and take it back the ride.